what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is NK and today we are resetting the apartment. If you guys are new here, I recently moved from one apartment to another in New York City. You might be asking, she has been in this apartment for 1 month now, so happy 1 month in the new apartment. We're really trying to get this space together. We are organizing, we are cleaning, we're resetting today. Because somehow, even though there's not a lot of stuff in here, seemingly, it's already cluttered, it's already needing a refresh. And it honestly also is very in line with spring, like a spring clean. Haven't done one of those. Why not? Let's do it together and show you guys how exactly I am organizing, cleaning, and resetting my space. Something else that a lot of people don't talk about, but I think that you should talk about more. Your environment truly impacts how you feel. Lately, I've just been feeling really off, and I know that my environment, it's directly correlated to that. It is Friday afternoon. I just got done with some work. I feel like it's also kind of a self-care activity. I have plans. I want to clean the floors, declutter the bathroom. I want to declutter my closets, some of the kitchen items.
She'll be in the bathroom like doing something.
Who else needs to put on headphones to feel like they're in the zone? I feel like someone understands. Let's get started. I'm not proud of this. I'm not proud of this craziness that I have accumulated. Stick with me. Are the majority of my shoes. You saw there are some shoes in that closet. I have 3 closets in my apartment. Very thankful for all the closet space, but I have just been throwing my shoes in here and it looks so bad. And I'm exposing myself. Look at it. Craziness of shoes. I can't find certain shoes. Like, you have to dig through to find my gym shoes, and I use those pretty regularly. My sneakers, some boots when I want to go out. I need to put my more used shoes closer to the front. That is what we're gonna do right now. I will possibly get some type of shoe organizing rack, because I truly have so many shoes. Right now, yes, I'm just stacking them so that I can see the shoes better, but long-term solution will be getting some type of shoe rack. Since the closet is pretty high, I could get a shoe rack that is probably like 2 feet tall. Products that really help me feel more organized. They're literal organizational tools, help me just feel less cluttered. I want to introduce the sponsor of today's vlog, which is ULG Life. ULG, Your Life Looks Great, presents a wide range of selected household goods and aims to create a well-organized living space. I saw so many items on the website that were perfect for my new apartment. Let's talk about the ULG Life products. I researched them before I got them to make sure that we're functional for my space. Will further make me feel more organized. We have a hair tool organizer. I feel like I've needed for a very long time. You will literally see how my hair tools are organized now, which is kind of embarrassing. I feel like I'm going to be exposing myself in this vlog. Each section serves a purpose. You can either hang it, and I put these hangers on just so you can see functionally how it will go, or you can take these off and just have them sitting. Next, we have a spice rack organizer. This will come in clutch. You know, I'm in my cooking era. When you cook, you obviously need your spices in proximity while you are cooking. Right now, I don't love where my spices are. How can I make it a little more functional, a little more easy, like as I'm actively cooking? I'll show you guys where I'm gonna put it. It also has this very functional drawer. It's also so easy to put together. All of these were very easy to put together or were already put together, which we love. I don't love building things, I've said this before. Next we have our dish drying rack, and it'll be perfect for the kitchen. As we know, New York City apartments, we don't have a lot of space, but what really helps with your dishes is having a drying rack. When I was in my last apartment, if you guys remember, I had a different type of drying rack. It was kind of a makeshift one. I didn't love it, but the kitchen was very small, so I had to kind of do with that what I could. However, having a true drying rack, very, very good size. Also, I have to show you guys, these are knife slots. I think that is so functional. These ridges for the bowls, that is key. When you don't have that, then they just slip. If you know, you know. It will fit so much. So super fast shipping. There are also multiple colors as well. If you are also in your organization era, get a handle on your apartment, home, wherever you're trying to spruce up, I highly recommend checking out ULG Life. I link on screen. It will be in the description of this video. And again, thank you so much to ULG Life for sponsoring this portion of the video. Taking an immunity shot because I do feel run down, and we can't have that. And it's all a part of a full reset. Reset the space, reset the body. Cheers. Ooh, it's good. Loving the functionality of where it is in the kitchen. They actually give you like a full demo. We're cooking. I grab something, I put it in here, put it out of the way. And then if I need one of these, and I'm cooking. Makes it so that it's actually super functional in the space. Gets a thumbs up from me. We're in the bathroom. A few things I want to talk about. We're still trying to get the functionality right in terms of where to put my makeup, and honestly just organizing some things that are definitely not in the best place. This I'm actually returning. I don't love how it looks. I think the wood part is just not sticking with me, so therefore this is actually going to leave us later today. I did order a new one. This is right now the makeshift place where all of my makeup is. If you guys saw the first few vlogs of me being in this apartment, all of my stuff was on the floor because there wasn't really anywhere else to put it. It's gonna go back on the floor until next week. I wanna take you guys over here. I'm going to expose myself. This is so messy. There's a lot of stuff is through in here. Did not have any real sense of organization because I just wanted to get stuff out of the way. Let me now show you guys. Oh. Let me, oh no. Turn off. Oh my God. Okay. This is how my hair tools are. I've had it in here for so long, and this is how I travel with them. That's not as functional as being able to just grab it and use it. Also, full disclosure, I do not have enough room to put this bag anywhere else. When I get my makeup organizer, my new one, I'm gonna put all my perfume in there, and actually a lot of that bag could probably fit in there. That will be tabled, but for right now, we can do this. Not everything has to be done in one go. We do what we can. OG Air Wrap, which I've had for, how long have I had this? Oh my God, 3. I've had it for 3 years. I got it in 2021. Hair dryer goes here. Here it is all set up. It's perfect. I can also put tools in here. Okay, great. Now I have literally all this room. I just got these hooks and I let them sit overnight. Can hang my bathrobe. I also want to hang my bonnet. I just love things being out of the way. This area is a very miscellaneous area. Waiting for a media console. Can't wait to show you guys what the media console will look like, but just for reference, the media console will go right there. What I can do in the interim, just to spruce it up, is make it look a little better than this. We spruced it up. It looks cleaner, which is really what I wanted. Note of books. I have not finished this book. It's very good so far. I'm like almost halfway done because of the move and everything. I have just been really stressed out. Organizing this reminds me that I need to start reading again, because reading makes me really happy and it really calms me down. We're starting our cleaning portion of the vlog. Here are all my cleaning products. Also wanted to say at the top of this portion, these are now my cleaning gloves, and I have brand new gloves for doing dishes. So there's no cross-contamination, do not worry. So let's begin. We are in the kitchen right now. Cue the montage. Using this stuff for the floors. Aunt Fanny's floor cleaner, ultra concentrated vinegar and eucalyptus. And I've been trying to use more clean products, honestly. So this is my first step to doing so. No chemicals, just the good stuff. The vinegar solution with the water. And I actually really like this. Like, it's easy to clean as well. You just clean these. And I like that it sprays. I do enjoy the spray action. I just use the Dyson vacuum and I'm going to sanitize the floors. Here is another cleaning hack that I absolutely recommend. Odor removing packs in any place that might be stuffy or just smell bad. So obviously the trash can would be the biggest place to do that. So I put 2 of these in the trash can. They have multiple scents. This one's lavender, so it just smells like lavender every time you open the trash can. I love it. So wanted to put this on your radar. I'll also link it down below. Done with our resets, clean, and organizing the apartment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed taking you guys through this. It essentially is like a Sunday reset, but did it on a Friday. I'm kind of in the mode of like moving away from feeling like I only have to reset on Sundays. I used to do that in my previous vlogs a year ago, but honestly, just realizing that I can reset whenever it feels right to me. Not always gonna be on a Sunday. And today just felt right, and I feel really good entering the weekend. It's really therapeutic for me. I don't know if anyone else feels the same way, where cleaning and organizing and truly just decluttering your life, getting your life together, resetting, just feels so good. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.